Now let us look into hashes. Hashes. So hashes are nothing but they are same as arrays. The only difference is hashes can store the list which contains the keys and the values also. So let us see the example to understand. Let us say PA we are creating. This one should be enclosed in a flower brackets. Now let us say Peter is the key and is equal to symbol and greater than symbol, give the age 34, let us say. And the same way Robert is equal to greater than 23, and the same way one more Mary is equal to 21. So now we have created a hashes. Hashes is nothing but dictionary. Here the key is Peter, value is the age. Key is Robert, value is the age. Key is Mary, value is the age. So now we can like print PA, or we can get the particular. If you want to find the age of the Peter, we can just write PA and inside that we give Peter. Print PA inside that. Okay, the error above is we should have to give the columns because it is a string. That's why Peter inside the square brackets. If you want the age of Peter, PETER. See, it is getting 34. PA get the age of Mary, it is 21. So like this, in the hashes we will be creating the keys and the values. We can also create like P. Let us say we want to create a address dictionary, and let us say Peter, and the value now we will give the address which is also a string. So string we will give North London, and one more we will give. We can also mix the values. For John we will giving only the age 23. Now if you want to get the address of Peter, we will write address of Peter. Address of Peter is North London. So this is the use of the hashes. Hashes is nothing but dictionaries. You can create the keys and values and store inside it, or you can store the entire dictionary, the meaning name and the meaning, both keys and the values. Hope you understood what are hashes. We will be seeing some of the methods using hashes in the next video.